Welcome, my name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. In this quick and easy video tutorial, we're going to take you step by step through how to calculate the median in Excel. Using this function, we can find the median in any group of numbers very easily. Can we get started? We will give 2 examples, and in each example, you will learn tricks to help you calculate the median. First, we'll start with example A. Our set consists of even numbers, so we'll calculate the median of the values 3, 2, 1 and 0. Let's enter the formula. We'll enter the equal sign. This, as we already know, is the sign for Excel, which we will use to write the formula. We enter the word median. We click on the proposed function. Now we simply select a set of numbers to calculate the median. In our case, it's column A. We'll close the bracket. Press the Enter button. Since this set contains an even number of numbers, which means that the median is between 2 values. In this case, formatting the cell to display decimal numbers will help us. Click on this icon. And the result is already an exact value and not rounded. The median is no longer 2 but 1.5 and was calculated as the value between the 2 numbers in the middle. Excel can calculate the median even if there are blanks in the list of numbers. So if we have empty cells in a column, we don't have to worry about them. In the second column, we repeat the same steps as in the previous column. Click in cell C10. Enter the equal sign. Enter the word median. Click on it. Now we select a set of numbers. We'll select column B. We'll close the parentheses. We press Enter. Done. It's quick and very easy. You no longer have to manually sort the numbers and look for the middle value. If you found this video tutorial helpful, let us know via like or comment. Want to learn how to work better with Excel? If so, then be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.